Okay, there you go. So our topic for today is our neighborhood is our responsibility. Okay, so I'll immediately start now. Okay, so I have here two photos, class, and I want you to take a look on it and give me your observation about it. Okay, so what can you say on the photo on the right and on the left? Okay, basically they are showing us the two sides, okay, of a person. Okay, Sophia,
On
can you tell
the
me?
left picture is the the people give them food because they're
Okay.
donating, and the second one is the boy is helping the poor man.
Okay. Aside from that, how about Sajan? Okay, Sajan, what can you notice on the photo?
On the second photo, teacher,
The one on the left or the ones on the right?
um, the man is giving something, teacher, to the poor man, I think, and he is
Okay.
also having a selfie.
Okay. And then on the left side,
On the left side, they are giving relief goods to some poor people in
Children.
village or in the city.
okay. Yes. So he was able to notice
There
that
might
on
be a
the
youth organization.
okay. So Sajan, very good. You were able to take note or you were able to notice that on the right photo, the guy is actually taking a photo of him, okay, helping the beggar. Okay, Joseph, what are you doing with your screen? Mamaya mabagsak mo yan, masira mo. Okay. Any more aside from those? I want a deeper interpretation. Okay, interpretation naman class. You are just giving me the shallow one. Okay, how about Loris? Ayan. Loris, what can you say?
Chair, parang yung right side, chair,
Okay, in English,
nagbibigay
please.
siya tapos,
Okay, in English.
chair, the right photo is taking a video and showing the people that he is helping the man.
Okay, and
And
then,
the first photo is the people are helping the parang barangay, chair.
okay, sige, let
And
me sum up. Sige, sige.
and
And,
even though no one is seeing them, they are still helping.
okay. Yeah, so you've got the point. Okay. So basically class, on the left photo, okay, it's a candid photo. When we say candid, okay, it is not scripted. It was just taken spontaneously. The photo is taken spontaneously. Nagets niyo yun? Like they are just doing their thing
Yes, sir.
and then suddenly a photo was taken. Ganun ang mangyari. But for the case of the man on the right side, he's actually documenting, okay, what he did. So when people are documenting the things that they do for others, okay, we cannot actually say whether it's genuine or not. Okay, yun yung masasabi natin about these photos, di ba? While on the other side, as what you can see, okay, the girl wearing yellow top is actually smiling because they are receiving relief goods from these people. Okay, compared to the other one, ayan, the homeless man. Okay, we cannot assume what is he feeling right now based on the photo. Joseph, why did you leave your seat? Where are you going? You didn't ask for permission. Okay. Anyway, class, in life, okay, we will be experiencing or we will be encountering two types of people. Ayan, the bad ones and of course the good ones. Okay? Ayan. So there are people who are happy helping the people who are in need, while there are people who do not show any concern to the poor. Okay, so, ayan, hindi naman, Joseph, where did you went? Saan ka nagpunta?
I just came to the bathroom.
Okay, but you didn't ask for permission.
Sorry.
Okay. Sige. So as I was saying, class, there are two types of people that we will encounter in our lives, the bad and the good one. So ayun, what we are just hoping for these people who are not concerned about the about the homeless is that we hope that someday they will have compassion. Okay, pag sinabi kasi natin compassion, the heart, okay, to help people. Okay, how about you, class? Have you ever tried helping the people around you?
Yes,
Have you tried
teacher.
helping the
Yes.
people around you? Okay, what sort of activities did you do for your neighbors, for example, neighbors, friends? Ano na ang nagawa niyo para sa kanila? Can you share to the class?
Giving food.
Okay, you give food. Okay. Saan yan, Claire? Saan ka nagbigay ng food? Si Claire ba yun? It
Or
sounds
si
like
Jella
Claire.
May.
Ay,
Kaya si
Jella.
Jella yun.
Okay, Jella. Jella.
Ko sa mga homeless tapos sa mga kapitbahay namin.
Yes. 'Di ba sa mga kapitbahay usually we give pag may birthday, ganyan, o kaya pag Pasko nagbibigay tayo sa mga kapitbahay. Yes, okay. That's one way of helping others also, 'di ba? Pero ito class ito sasabihin sa inyo ni teacher. Pag magbibigay kayo ng food, okay, do not give leftovers, ha? Kasi syempre kayo nga hindi niyo na gustong kainin yun tapos ibibigay niyo pa sa ibang tao, 'di ba? Ang gagawin nyo, for example, you are hosting a party and then you are just about to start. So sa umpisa, doon na kayo magbigay ng pagkain. Hindi yung patapos na, tapos nakita nyo may mga tira-tira, sa nyo lang ibibigay. Okay, masama yung ganun. Di ba class? Kaya nga sa CDC, we have that certain practice na the utilities are not getting the food that you are leaving. So, dapat maubos talaga yung pagkain during Christmas parties. Remember? Kailangan
Naalala ko
maubos.
yun. Ubus na ubus eh.
Oo, mas maganda yung ganun kaysa ibibigay. Oo, kaysa ibibigay nyo sa kanila yung leftover. Kasi pangit yung ganung ugali. Okay? Mas maganda sana kung umpisa pa lang, binigyan nyo na sila. Okay? That's why the school is also telling us, okay, teachers, to tell you, okay, that you just have to bring what you can eat. Okay, kung ano lang ang kaya nyong kainin, huwag magdadala ng sobra-sobra. Okay, kasi pinapauwi rin ni teacher yung ganun. Okay? Sige, next. Okay, so I hope that you take a look on this and ponder that we are not alone in this world. Okay, so what does it mean? It means that we are surrounded by many people.
Disconnected.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay, Sophia.
Because my Wi-Fi without teacher because without connection yan. I was almost crying.
It's fine, it's fine. Okay lang yan. Okay. Oh, babasahin ko lang to So we are surrounded by many people aside from our family. We have our relatives. Sophia, come again? Ano yun?
I was left.
Po?
I was left because of the internet connection.
Okay, yeah, it's okay. Okay lang yan.
I'm
May
late or
recording
not?
naman to. Yes, you can just watch the video later. Okay, if you miss something. Anyway, aside from our family, we have our relatives, friends, and neighbors. Okay, so basically, class, do you know the quote, "No man is an island"? Okay, do you know that quote? No man is an island.
Hindi.
Teacher.
Yes.
So yun
So
ba
when
yung
we
parang song?
I'm not sure if it's a song, pero quote kasi yun. Like, no man is an island. Pag sinabi
Sino
natin no man
nag-quote
is an
noon?
island, I'm not sure who quoted that, but I keep on hearing that. Do you know what does it mean? No man is an island. Do you know the meaning of that quote? How about Peter?
Yes.
Ingat, tanongin natin si Peter, baka alam niya.
Teacher, I know.
Okay, what does it mean? No man is an island.
Meaning that you can't survive by your own.
Yes, okay, that's right. You cannot survive in your own. You need help from the others. Okay. Yan ang katotohanan na dapat nating malaman. So no matter what, you want to become independent from your family. Okay. You cannot just simply abandon them. Okay? Kailangan mo pa rin sila in your life. Okay? Next. Okay. Different things happen in our lives. Some are good, some are bad. Some are happy, others are sad. Okay. Di ba sabi nga nila, life is a roller
Is
coaster.
that a poem?
No, it came from your book.
You're
Okay,
my
sabi nga
rhyme.
nila, oo, yeah. Sabi nga nila, life is a roller coaster. Sometimes you're upward, okay, and sometimes you are below,
Yung narinig
okay,
ko
or
lagi
you are
yun.
down. Okay, life is a roller coaster. Minsan nasa taas, minsan nasa baba. But we just have to keep on moving forward. Okay. 'Di ba may mga bagay na hindi natin inaasahang nangyayari sa buhay natin kagaya ng pagkamatay ng relative, ganyan, or nabagyo tayo, what else? Nasunugan, mga ganyang bagay. Okay. So, this lesson class we just want to remind you that in life you cannot have it all. Okay? Basically, there are still flaws in life, like may mga bagay na hindi mo kontrolado. Okay? So halimbawa, namatay yung isang family member mo. Okay? Ginawa nyo naman ang lahat for that person. Okay? That is already uncontrollable. Okay? Huwag mo sisisihin ang sarili mo, things like that. Lagi mo lang iisipin na we should always move on. Okay? Although it is hard, di ba? It is so hard to accept someone's death.
Yes,
Diba?
sir.
Have you ever tried grieving for someone? I think every
What's
one
the
of
meaning
us.
of that, sir?
Grieving.
Sir, kung may namatay, iyak ka, di ba yun?
Yun yung grieving. Nagdalamhati. Okay. Nagdalamhati towards a person who died. Di ba? Halos lahat naman tayo nagdaan sa ganun. Kung ikaw ay hindi nag-grieve over someone, then it means that you're not affected at all. Okay. Hindi siguro kayo masyadong close ng taong yun, kaya hindi ka naapektuhan ng pagkamatay niya. Okay, anyway, ayun, what else can I say about that? Death is inevitable. Okay? If you know Thanos,
Yes,
he told
sir.
that. Inevitable.
I know that. That's from my sister's
Sir,
lesson.
hindi malalagpasan.
Yes, hindi mo matatakasan, ganon. Ganon ang ibig sabihin ng
Sir, laging ganun yung outcome. Sir, laging
Yes.
ganun yung outcome.
Oo, parang ganun. Inevitable. Okay,
Oo, sir,
Inevitable.
nakita ko na yun.
Inevitable. Yes. Ibig sabihin, kung may, ang tawag dito, kung may bad, may good. Okay? Yin-yang. You know yin-yang in the Chinese tradition?
Oo, sir, yung white at black,
Yes,
yung
oo.
parang ball.
Huh?
Opo, tama. Yin-yang. The circle with a like that. How do I
White
say
shirt,
it?
tapos may black.
Oo.
Yung one
Oo.
side white, tapos yung one side black.
Parang sinasabi niya, there is goodness in bad, while there is bad in goodness. Parang ganun.
Sir,
Okay,
parang
anyway.
background ko pero white and black.
Pati nga, yeah. Tama, Marion. Oo,
Oo,
ganyan
sir,
yung
ganyan.
yin-yang.
Pero
Ganyan yung
black and
yin-yang.
white.
Pero black and white ang itsura niya. Okay.
Is
So,
that
yun yung
opposite?
Chinese, yun yung Chinese tradition na sinasabi niya that there is always goodness in a bad, and then there is always something bad in goodness. Ganun yung ibig niya sabihin. Okay, anyway, these are the basic needs that we have: food, clothing, shelter. But the thing is that there are people who cannot afford to have these three. Okay, kahit na basic need siya. And yun nga, kaya nga, di ba, ang topic natin for today is our neighbor is our responsibility. So basically, kung tayo ay nakakaluwag-luwag or we have the means to help other people, okay, we should at least give them these basic needs, okay? Food, clothing, shelter, okay? Do not give them money kasi minsan, alam niya ang tao. what they call this?
So,
I prefer
minsan
giving,
spend sa iba.
yes, that's right. They will spend it
Kaya yun yung
over,
sinabi ng parents ko.
Sure, masasanay sila.
Oh,
tama,
sure, ganun.
masasanay sila, and ginagamit nila ito sa pambili ng bisyo, like sigarilyo,
Sigarilyo.
alak. Yes.
Sure,
Kaya
minsan,
it's better.
sure, may sa amin dati ng
Okay.
pambili ng parang pang tricycle, sure, pero sabi daw, bibilhin niya daw yung ibang thing.
Oo. Diba? It's better to give these three: food, clothing, shelter. Pero yung shelter, hindi natin kaya ibigay yun. Hindi naman tayo si Willie Rebillame na nagbibigay ng pabahay. Okay? Ayan lang. Food and clothing lang ang kaya natin ibigay. Okay? Kung nakakaluwag ka, pero kung isa ka sa mga taong hindi ma-afford tong tatlong to, well, okay. Ayun, yun lang ang gusto ko sabihin. Okay? Dapat magkaroon tayo ng pakialam sa mga taong kulang sa resources. Okay? Diba, nakakaawa. Alam nyo, class, eto ha, may mga, I hope na you are not like this kind of people na insensitive. Pag sinabi natin insensitive, halimbawa, may pagkain ako sa hapunan, may pagkain ako everyday, anong pakialam ko sa mga walang pagkain? Parang ganon.
May
Alam niyo
nakita
yun?
akong taong ganon. Sure, may nakita
Oo.
akong taong
Yes. Di ba masama yung ganong klase ng ugali? Like,
Yes,
you don't
sure.
care about the people around you.
Sure,
Masama
ako
yung
pag
ganong
meron
ugali.
akong nakikitang homeless naaawa ko agad na parang naiiyak.
Yes. At least
minsan.
have the sympathy,
One time,
di ba?
naiyak na ako.
Umiyak nga ako, sabi ng mother ko. Ang
Oh.
dami kong iyak eh.
Yes. Magkaroon tayo ng sympathy sa mga tao. When I say sympathy, at least put yourselves in the shoe of others. Okay? Like, for example, that's sympathy class. Put
Teacher,
in
but
your
what if
shoe.
the person's barefoot? We can put our feet in the shoes of them because we
Hindi.
don't have a...
Peter, they can't
Figuratively.
Yun yung
Mm. Figuratively.
parang literally, hindi literally na
Yes.
mo talaga
Opo.
yung hit mo sa shoes
Oo,
niya.
Peter. Peter, what I'm trying to say is that you put your situation on that person's situation. Okay. Figuratively yun. Yes. It's a figurative speech, not literal. Okay, do not take it literally. Okay. So ayun lang, class, even though you came from a well-off family, diba? At least alam nyo magkaroon ng simpatsya sa mga taong homeless. Okay. When I say well-off, ayun, may kakayahang makakain ng more than 3 and kayang bilhin ang what do you call this? Malia! I'm sorry, wait. Let me just tell my dog to shut up. Wait, let me just mute for a while.
But teacher, what if you're the dog and then they told you to shut up? How will you feel?
Peter, that's a good word.
Not really. Smile and then
Grabe.
everything.
Tapos baliktad, Peter.
Quiet.
Hello. I've heard what Peter said. Okay. Yun.
Recorded to! Recorded!
Yeah. Yeah, he has a point. He has a point, diba? How would you feel if you are the dog and then
Kaya
your owner
makikita ba
said,
nito ni Sir Romulo?
no, Ma'am Sarah is evaluating the video. Si Ma'am Sarah ang nanonood usually. Okay. Anyway, it's part of the discussion because we are discussing about what they call this, helping our neighbors. Okay. And I think dogs are still part of your neighbors. Okay. Peter has a point naman. Sige, I'll talk to my dog in a nice way na lang. Not telling him to shut up. Okay. Anyway. That was funny. Okay. Have you tried helping these people? Okay. The homeless. What did you do for them? Okay.
Yes,
na-share na si Claire
teacher.
kanina. Okay.
Yeah.
Me
Do
and
you
my
have an
family give
experience?
10. Yes, teacher. Me and my family give
Okay.
10% of our allowance to them.
Yeah, I know that. Is that called, what do you call it?
Diba may
Titis? Yeah, titis.
What?
Is it titis?
Teacher?
How do you
Is
pronounce
it
that?
Sedaka.
How do you pronounce that? Iba-iba
Is
sa
it
inyo.
sedaka?
Pero titis ang ano dun eh. How do I spell it? I have to Google it. Ipakita ko sa inyo kung ano ibig sabihin.
10%.
Activities.
Peter, binibigyan mo
Parang
sila ng 10%
ganito.
for allowance?
10.
Yes.
No. Like 10%. Oh, ito yun. Ay, ito ba yun? Hindi.
Tsaka anong spelling niya, Che? Google
Wait
ko din.
lang.
Guys, I remember the
Ah.
time when my tito trained my dog, but my dog
Hindi
cannot
ganito
walk.
yun. Wait lang. How do I
Teacher,
read?
teacher.
Yes, Joseph. What is it?
Wala ko ano.
My thumb last night, now it's bleeding.
Ano daw?
Where?
Ano?
I accidentally cut my thumb. Now I have a wound.
Because
Mag-alcohol
of the
ka.
dog.
The alcohol for the blood.
Does your dog has rabies or na-vaccine
Eh,
naman
wala
siya
na.
before?
Anti-rabies na sila.
Oh, our dog die.
Namatay aso.
Bakit namatay?
There's family.
Sir, sa amin nakawala.
Guys,
Namatay aso namin dahil may lagnat.
Kinamatay sa namin ng isang araw lang.
kailangan i-quarantine.
Grabe ka, Zoilo.
Ala, wala na. Okay, anyway, class, there are different...
We're
Sige
out.
na mag-move on nito.
Guys, we're out of topic now.
Okay. Sige, listen na class. So, pag dito, meron tayong government and non-government organizations that are helping the poor, okay, the homeless, and many more. Merong iba't ibang categories silang tinutulungan. The first one that is on your book is called a St. Vincent de Paul Foundation, okay. So this one class is associated with the Catholic Church, okay. Basically, bawat bansa, actually this is an international organization, may ganitong organization, St. Vincent de Paul. Ayan, yung tignan nyo yung mantra nila or yung mantra. What is the other term for mantra? Yung pinaniniwalaan nila. Neighbors helping neighbors. Okay, sige, basahin natin. What is the vision of St. Vincent de Paul Society? Ayan. The St. Vincent de Paul Society is a Catholic organization that aspires to live the gospel message by serving Christ in the poor with love, respect, justice, hope, and joy, and by working to shape a more just and compassionate society. Actually, class, they are doing, ang tawag dito? They give relief goods to the poor. What else they are doing? Okay.
Sir, yung dating type, sir, yung parang latest typhoon, sir, andun sila.
Oo, posible. Pero ito kasi, ang tawag dito, so per country may ganito. So, they will research
Sir,
for a
current teacher,
specific...
may ganito.
Oo, may ganito rin sa Pilipinas. They will research for a specific community na tutulungan nila. Tapos magbibigay sila ng food, ayan, clothing. Ayan, kung makikita nyo dito sa photos dito. Okay, they have various activities to help the poor. Okay. Ganon ang St. Vincent de Paul Foundation. Next. Okay, we have medical mission organizations. Okay, actually class, medical mission organizations, general to. Okay, basically there are different people who conduct medical mission organizations. Example, mga hospitals, they can also have medical missions. What else? Mga politicians, pwede sila magbigay ng medical missions, ganun. Okay, so ano ba ang purpose ng medical missions? They increase access to quality healthcare around the world. So basically, hindi lang sa Pilipinas may medical mission. Halos sa iba't ibang bansa may medical mission. At ang mga nire-reach nila is yung mga matatanda, what else, yung mga malalayo sa ospital, kaya sila nagme-medical mission. Usually, nagbibigay sila ng vitamins para sa mga bata. Kung nakakita na kayo sa barangay nyo ng medical mission,
Sir, may
ganun
nakita
yun.
akong ganon.
Okay, eto, ayan, yan ang examples. Take a look. Okay, ayan, may libreng check-up. Okay, example yun ng medical missions. Libreng check-up. Wait lang. Libreng vitamins para sa mga bata.
Teacher,
Yes.
teacher,
Yes, Peter. Okay, Peter.
if there's a hazard in the community and people are affecting it, and just go, the best way to do so is to improve that thing so there'll be no more hazard. That's what I'm doing there. The best thing to do is remove it. The best thing is to remove it or just to make it safer.
What
right?
are you trying to talk about? What specific
Yeah.
hazard? Can you mention specific hazard?
Like if there are holes everywhere, people might fall, so you have to fix it. So you have to
Okay.
so people have to be responsible in their neighborhood too.
Yes. That's why you have to identify the problem first, right? Identify the
Yes.
problem in the community before you address it. Yes.
Peter.
Halimbawa, that community is already a rich community. Like, wala naman silang masyadong kailangan. Magme-medical mission ka po ba sa ganong lugar? Di ba hindi na?
Or
Okay.
hindi.
Oo. Ang mga barangay dapat natutulungan mo, the barangays that you are going to help are the ones who are not reached by the hospitals. Okay. Yung mga hindi nakakapunta sa hospitals. Like yung mga from barrio places, what else? Or the ones living in the mountains. Oh, yun talaga yung mga dapat binibigyan ng medical mission because usually they don't know anything about family planning. They don't know anything about malnutrition. Okay, that's why the kids are just growing that way and they cannot do anything about it. That's why people are conducting medical missions there. Okay. Sige, basahin ko lang to. A medical mission is a community-based activity. So, yeah, community-based. Basically, pwedeng per purok, per barangay, ganun ang gagawin. Organized mostly by students or organizations. Okay. Its goals are to visit underserved, underserved communities, which means they are unreachable, okay, hindi sila makapunta sa ospital, or localities with limited access to healthcare and provide them with medical assistance. Yes. So, kung ang ospital ay hindi nila malapitan, yung ospital na ang lalapit sa kanila. Parang ganun, ang medical mission. Okay? Okay, Jella, you are annotating what happened to the, okay. Then, next one. Okay, sige, sure. Next one, Philippine Red Cross. Okay, I know you are very familiar of Philippine Red Cross, right?
Yes,
May
sir.
nangyayari ng ganyan. Yes, sir.
Oo. Philippine Red Cross is known for asking people to volunteer and give their blood. Okay, usually blood talaga ang associated sa Philippine Red
Sir, yung
Cross.
donating
Oo,
blood.
yes. Oo. We donate blood in Philippine
Oh.
Red Cross. And then, this blood are, I do not want to say this, pero binibenta rin kasi yung blood. Okay. Yun naman ang...
Sir, illegally?
Yes, teacher, in the black
Hindi.
market. In the black
No.
market.
No, it's called the, hindi naman sa blood.
Sir,
Meron
dinodonate
tayong
mo,
tinatawag
sir,
na
para sa mga taong may kailangan ng...
Yes, may kailangan ng
Yes, but
blood
sometimes
bank.
they
It's called
sell
blood bank.
but sometimes they sell body parts in the black market too.
Okay.
Iba yun.
But it's not body parts. This Philippine Red Cross doesn't concern about body parts. They are concerned with blood.
My eyes,
With blood.
and I was panicking at that time because obviously I was looking at never gonna look
Out of the lesson.
Okay, Kyle, saan na naman papunta tong usapin natin,
Out of the
Kyle?
lesson. Ano with the previous
Kaya
lesson?
minsan yung ginagawa niya, pero okay
Oh,
lang.
great!
Ano ba yun, Kyle? Hindi ko marinig, Kyle. Kyle.
Sir, mahina konti mic niya.
Oo, mahina yung mic mo, kaya hindi ko maintindihan.
I
Sir,
got
kung may nagsasalita.
great
Come
to
again?
get hear me. I got traumatic. I got in a never mind about that.
Oh my God.
Okay, I think he would want to tell that he got traumatic of blood. Is that so?
No, not on blood. I got traumatic when I go into on hospitals
This is
because
not-
because obviously when I got like an accident when I was like 4.
Technically, it's I got traumatized, not traumatic. I don't say I got traumatic. Say
Yeah,
Sir,
traumatized.
Sir, iba na usapan.
Sumasakit na naman ang ulo ko sa dalawang to. Nag-discussion na naman si Kyle at Peter. Okay, so going back to Philippine Red Cross. Philippine Red Cross is known for volunteer works. Okay? During the typhoon, what was the recent typhoon? Ulysses, marami ring nagawa ang Philippine Red Cross class. Okay? So, ayan, ito yung mga 6 major services that they offer for free. Okay? So, blood services, ayan. So, if you want to donate your blood, you can contact Philippine Red Cross. Then we have disaster management services. They help people learn the basic things that they need to know when there are disasters coming. Like for example, may flood, may
Lindol.
typhoon, anong gagawin nila, may lindol, yes. Philippine Red Cross ang may concern doon. Safety services, ayan, as what you can see in the photo, okay, they are also teaching people on how to
CPR?
save a person. Yes, on how to save a person. Very good. Yes, or the basic things that you need to know. What else? Social services.
Age na pwede mag-donate ng blood.
Hindi pa pwede ata pag bata eh. I'm not sure.
Bawal ba ba?
Teacher,
O
do you
pwede.
know if donating blood, you have to donate it to a person with their same blood type, otherwise the blood will clot
Ay,
and
oo,
then that
yun.
person would die.
Yes,
That's
pero kasi
Blood type dapat.
yes, but in Philippine Red Cross, hindi naman to ibibigay immediately sa taong nangangailangan. What happens is that it is contained in, of course, in refrigerators, things like that, so that it will be preserved. Oo, para pag may nangailangan, o di parang may compilation ng blood doon. Tapos hahanapin na lang nila. But you know what, because there was a time na may mga instances talaga na walang mabili sa blood bank. Okay, ganito kasi yan. Si Philippine Red Cross nagbibigay ng bank kay blood bank. And then blood bank sells this blood, okay, to people who needs it. Ngayon, there are instances na walang type, yung halimbawa type A ang hanap mo. Okay. Ngayon, kailangan mo maghanap ng kamag-anak mo na may same blood type with yours, 'di ba? Ganun ang nangyayari minsan kasi walang nabibilhan ng dugo.
Ay, oo, Chair. May cases na ganun.
Sige. Anyway, wait lang. Let me just admit Lara. Okay, next organization. Okay, WHO. Are you familiar with World Health Organization?
Sure, yes. Yung nag-start ng
That's
corona.
sure.
Yes. Nung nag-start ang coronavirus, yes, that's right. Very good.
Sure, yan yung
Well, the
nakikita kong poster sa school.
Oo.
And
When
COVID-19.
actually, class, World Health Organizations,
Teacher,
sila ang
who?
nagde-declare. Yes, WHO. Just say it WHO because we are not sure whether you pronounce it as WHO. And it sound, I don't know. WHO pag binabanggit nila siya sa what we call this in news, WHO. Anyway, World Health Organization, as I was saying, they are the ones who are declaring whether a disease is already considered as pandemic. Okay? Parang yung yung coronavirus, AIDS, ano pa ba, malaria, things like that. Sila ang nagde-declare. So basically, kaya nga from that name itself, World Health Organization, sila yung may concern, okay? Sila yung nag-aaral ng what they call this? Ng solusyon para sa mga sakit na umuusbong, okay, worldwide. Okay. So basically, hindi lang COVID ang sakop nila, marami pang iba. Ayan tignan nyo sa photo, they are conducting a press conference. Ewan ko kung ano to, probably they are announcing something, ganyan, or they are meeting about a very important matter regarding the health of the entire nation. Okay? Anyway, last one, livelihood programs. Ano ba ang livelihood programs? I think natamaan na natin to before. Okay, livelihood programs